Nestled in the heart of Nicaragua lies Masaya Volcano, a stunning natural wonder that captures the imagination. This active volcano offers travelers a chance to peer into a bubbling crater, creating a surreal experience unlike any other. Visitors often recount the thrill of standing at the rim, with vibrant lava flows casting a fiery glow against the night sky. The nearby Masaya Volcano National Park also enchants with its rich diversity of flora and fauna, showcasing Nicaragua's breathtaking ecosystems. Travelers frequently share stories of local legends born from the volcano, deepening their understanding of the area's cultural heritage as they explore the charming towns that dot the landscape.